Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new unboxing. It's time to do unbox the all new Samsung Galaxy A16. And guys, and this is the new budget phone from Samsung. And this is the 8GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage variant. And this phone also available with a 128GB of internal storage. And that variant is costing around 55,000 PKR, while the 256 is costing around 62,000 PKR. And the color I have is the black color, and this phone is manufactured in Pakistan. And you can see again we have slim box, so we don't get any charger in the box, and the design looks exactly the same as the Galaxy A15. Also the chipset we have same MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, so very interesting to see how this phone is gonna perform. Also we have same Infinity U display on the top. So without any wasting time, now let's quickly remove the plastic first and also remove the seal like this. And this phone also available in other colors, and this is the upper variant of the Galaxy A16. And I wish that Samsung would give us a more powerful SoC, but we have same Helio G99. So let's open this box. So you can see on the top we have our device Galaxy A16. As you can see like this. So guys, here is the Galaxy A16, looks like in the black color, and nice to see that we have a matte finish on the back. Although the back is made up of plastic, we have triple cameras on the back. We have 50 megapixel main camera on the back. Also we have 5 megapixel ultrawide. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we don't have any screen protector, and here is the another envelope. We have SIM ejection tool, and inside there we have a quick start guide. Also we have USB type C to USB type C cable. So no charge in the box, no hand-free, no silicone case with the Galaxy A16, which is a really disappointing thing. Also we have 25 watt super fast charging support with this phone maximum, no upgrade in that area even. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at Galaxy A16. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone. So on the left hand side we have our SIM tray. So now let's see the SIM tray. This phone also has a IP54 water and splash resistance, no IP rating officially. So you can see we have a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. So it is a hybrid SIM slot with a rubber gasket. So on the top we have another microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button, it is on the right hand side, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. On the front we have 6.7 inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Also we have U-shaped notch on the top. So overall Samsung Super AMOLED are the best I would say, but we don't have any 120 Hz. On the back we have triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel main camera with 5 megapixel ultra wide. Lastly we have 2 megapixel macro. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, it's the first boot of the Samsung A16. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, again this phone has a Super AMOLED display. So now let's see the max brightness. So the display looks really bright, so which is a really good thing. So here's the notification panel looks like. So let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone, software information. So this phone is running on Android 14 with Samsung One UI 6.1, and this phone will receive up to 6 years of major Android updates. Also we have 5000 mAh battery size. We have 256GB of internal storage out of 236GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's look at the camera. So this phone has a triple cameras on the back. So here's the main camera looks like. So here is the portrait mode, and here is the ultra wide mode looks like. So here is the fun mode, which give you a Snapchat filters right in your camera application. So here's the video mode. So the back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 30 fps. We don't have any 60 fps support. We also have ultra wide mode. So in the mode section we have our pro mode. We also have night mode, which is only available with the main camera, and we also have macro mode. We also have a slow motion. So all those things it is available. So now let's look at the front facing camera, and this one has a 13 megapixel. So the front facing camera looks really decent, I would say. Let's see the picture. So you can see the front camera looks really decent. Here is a portrait mode, and here is the video mode. The front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. So the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera, and the night mode it is also available with the front facing camera. So guys, now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size, and combined with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED 90Hz display, and this one should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Also, the price of this phone should be under 50,000 PKR, and then this phone will be more worth it. But if you need a Samsung phone in this price range, and this is the best option that you can get from Samsung in this price range. So anyways, that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Galaxy A16. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.